The mission of our company is actually quite simple, and that is to provide our clients with an effective and affordable way to publish legal notices. When we talk about the mission of the company, I think it's also important to talk a little bit about the history behind the industry, which can actually be traced back to the biblical times in the Roman government. Specifically, in 59 BC, Julius Caesar first ordered the publishing and archiving of the acts of the people, known as the Acta Diurna. And the Acta Diurna was something like a daily gazette that contained the newsworthy events of the time, such as court news, decrees of the Roman government, notices of births, marriages, and deaths. And the acta were actually posted in public places, and they were posted on an item called an album. And this album was kept up for a reasonable amount of time. And after the time had passed, the album was taken down and archived for purposes of research. And ironically, our website works much the same way today as the album did back in 59 BC. We actually have 4 different services that we offer. The first one is the printed newspaper, which is the most common. We also have the digital version of the newspaper, which is emailed out to our subscribers on a regular basis. In addition to that, we have a searchable website, and this website is used primarily for research. Lastly, most folks don't know this, but we have over 100 different legal forms that we sell. Legal forms ranging anything from eviction notices to quitclaim deeds. One of the first things I ask a new prospect is, have you heard of our publication? And unless the prospect is an attorney, chances are they have not, which is actually great news because it opens the door to share our company history with the prospect. And what I found is that the conversation typically ends with the prospect saying, "Why didn't you contact us sooner?" Typically respond to that question, "Why didn't you contact us sooner?" by telling them the truth. We're actually a small family-owned company. We don't have an army of salespeople out there pounding on the doors. However, we do have a very high regard for customer intimacy. So what do I mean by customer intimacy? When you call or visit our office, you're going to speak with someone that's familiar with you, your company, or your situation. We're not attorneys, so we don't offer legal advice. Publishing legal notices is what we do. We don't publish ads for garage sales or used cars, but we strive to make each interaction positive and uplifting.